My name's Kelly McCarthy. I had a discectomy and a fusion at the L4, L5 level. I was not going to live my life the way I was with my back pain and inability to do anything. I'm 56 years old and I feel like I've got at least another half of my life to live. My mom's 93, so I figure I can do it. I actually was familiar with him. He actually saw my dad in the hospital, so I kind of seeked out Dr. Gavori, knowing that he was somewhere in the valley. I went from being very active, running and hiking all the time, to, in the last couple of years, doing pretty much nothing. I'm a nurse by trade. I was familiar with working with spinal patients on the floor and things like that. I just knew it was going to better my life, and I needed to do that. The day of the surgery was a very early morning. I was actually not nervous. I just knew that I was going to be better afterwards. Following the surgery, you can ask him also, I was in a hurry to get out of there. I just knew that I was feeling really good, and I had to get on the phone with him, and he's like, you know, this is the fastest anybody's ever left a facility. I felt great. They put the brace on me, and he said I had to get up and walk, and that wasn't a problem, and I went home as soon as I think I was in recovery maybe 4 hours. They made me get into a wheelchair, but they said, do you want to walk? And I said, I'm fine. And they said, well, we'd rather have you in a wheelchair. You can walk when you get home. I'm like, okay. Probably do as much research as you can. Talk with the doctor about your concerns. Watch videos like this, people that have gone through it. There's certainly a lot of people that have had poor surgeries take place and didn't go to the right surgeon, and I think going to the right surgeon is everything. He's really easy to talk to, he's easy to ask questions, and he answers. He doesn't ever act like he's in a hurry. He acts like you're the most important person there. It was a breeze. I enjoy even when I do have appointments for follow-up, even if they're brief. It's just nice to see him, and he's always so happy. I was an old 56-year-old, and now I feel like a young 56-year-old.